are there, no? That questions will solve it. You'll get clarity. Just post your answers in the chat. Okay. Okay. Let's students see here the questions what they have given in chapter is there. No? First question is there. No? Objective questions are there. The IUPAC name of the following compound. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. What is your answer? What is the IUPAC name of the following compound? I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have an idea? What is IUPAC nomenclature is compound?
No.
Okay, option, just post your answers in the chat box. Post your answer in the chat box. Can I reveal my answer? Anybody can say through the mic? Anybody can be through the mic?
No, methanol.
Aminomethane.
Methanol.
Generally, aminomethane also they will call or methanamine. Generally, IUPAC nomenclature methanamine only. C option only. Okay, na? You can also call aminomethane commonly. You can call, no problem. Next one is then here. Amines are derivatives of dash. Acids, ammonia, alkanes, NH2 groups. What is your answer? Amines are derivatives of dash. Any idea is there? I said many times in the class.
Sir, B.
Sir, we're answering in chat box, sir.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Can anybody say answer to the mic right now?
Sir, ammonia, the Bombay option.
Amines are derivatives of ammonia. Many times I used to say amines are derivatives of ammonia. It is amine only. How the derivative will come? Okay. Next one more question. The structural formula of N-methyl aminomethane is N-methyl aminomethane structural formula that asking. A very good question. What is the answer? N-methyl aminomethane. Anybody say through the mic? What is your answer? Option A, B, C, D. Andhra, Bombay, Chennai, Delhi. Any idea? N-methyl Chennai. This is Chennai option, sir. Why? Because means one methyl group attached to nitrogen atom, one methyl group to the main chain, secondary amine. Next one is an amine may contain dash. NH group, this group, or R. Amine may contain. What contains NH2 possible or not? NH is possible or not?
All
Option is all of the above. All of the above. Next, one more question. Which of the following is a secondary amine? It means I'm going to give the 4 options. You have to find which one is a secondary amine. Secondary amine. Don't be take D option as a why secondary is there. Secondary amine is wrong. Okay. So which one is secondary amine? Any guess? First, we'll go for the deleted question, delete option, which is not correct answer. So we take the one which is not correct answer. Aniline is a primary amine, so it's not my answer. Secondary butyl amine. Okay, no? Secondary butyl amine. It means the just take the 4 carbon atoms are there. In 4 carbon atoms are there. In second carbon atom, NH2 group is there. It's a primary amine only. Isobutyl amine. Isobutyl amine means what happened there? Isobutyl. Here also same thing. Nothing but here is there, no? Here is there. Okay, this here one methyl group is there here. And butane, no? Okay, one more carbon atom is there. And NH2 group like this. This is also primary amine. Only secondary amine.
Andhra is the option.
Option is A. Option is correct answer. Option A. You see, N-ethyl. 2 ethyl groups are there, no? That is called as a secondary amine only. Let's see one more question is there now. Which of the following is secondary amine? Which of the following is secondary amine? Option A, B, C, D.
Chennai.
Chennai option. Let's call it Chennai option. Next question number 7. IUPAC name of this compound. IUPAC name of this compound. IUPAC name of this compound. Any idea? 2 amino groups are there. If 2 amino groups are there, first you will see the select longest carbon chain which containing a functional group. That you have to select.
Sir, is it Andhra?
Is the option? You see the structures. A only correct answer. A only. You see what I mentioned 1, 2, 3. It means first position, second position. Amine functional group must come last. The name of functional group must come last. Hydrocarbon chain must come first. You know very well now. Word root, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. Word root you have to say how many carbon atoms are there. Primary suffix, double bond is there or not. Secondary means functional group is there. Here you had mentioned number of functional groups. The position is there. So propane 1, 2 diamine. IUPAC name this compound. This compound IUPAC nomenclature. You could just CH2 is given. 2 is given. It means the compound molecule is CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. This is my compound. Then what is the nomenclature?
Andhra, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, Andhra.
propanamine. The answer is A. Okay. Next question is there, no? IUPAC number following compound. IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC number following compound. Anybody have idea? IUPAC nomenclature. Let's me have one small doubt is there, no? Phenyl group is more priority or amine is more priority? Phenyl or amine, which is more priority? Amine is the more priority because it's a functional group. I have given the idea. Right now, say the answer. What is your answer? Already, you got answer now. What is the answer?
Sir, how one there, sir?
Sorry, mistake. So say sorry. Here 1 and 2. Then what is the answer?
Sir, C, Chennai.
Chennai, 2-phenyl ethylamine.
Can I? Here, see. 2-phenyl ethylamine. This compound. What is nomenclature? Systematic nomenclature. Here is there no? Here one thing is aldehyde group is there and amine group is there. Always remember IUPAC nomenclature for carbon. So what if the carbon gives more priority for the acid group, next aldehyde group? This is the more priority. Okay, no? Then what is your answer? This one position you can see, no? First position, second position, third position, and fourth position. So
Sir, I
the
get
answer will be
Andhra.
the
4-aminobenzene.
exactly.
Not
One
aldehyde.
small logic point I will say, carbon will contain functional group only highest priority. Either aldehyde, acid, ester, amide, acid halide, cyanide, it will come more priority. Least will come nitrogen content form. That's one. IUPAC nomenclature aniline. What is aniline IUPAC nomenclature?
Sir, aminobenzene.
Amino
Benzene.
benzene. The answer is B, Bombay. Next one is IUPAC, this compound IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC, not common nomenclature. What IUPAC nomenclature?
Sir, 3-bromobenzenamine.
3-bromobenzenamine.
Benzenamine.
That's correct answer. Option. Question number 13th one. Which of the following is a primary amine? I want to see the answer from everybody through the chat. Option
A.
A. Option A. This is primary. Why can't we see here NH number of hydrogen atoms? See here 2 is there primary. Here 1 is there secondary. Here 1 is there secondary. Here, nothing is the tertiary. That's the logic. Okay, no? The answer is the A. Question number 14. Which of the following is secondary mean? Which of the following is secondary mean?
D.
The option Delhi. Delhi is the secondary mean. Question number 15th one. Aliphatic primary mean, aromatic primary mean, aliphatic secondary mean, aromatic secondary mean. What is the answer?
Aromatic
B.
primary amine.
Aromatic primary amine.
Primary amine.
Primary amine. Question number 16th one. Aniline can be industrially prepared by from the following the reaction. Very good. By using lithium aluminum hydride, sodium ethyl alcohol, tin HCl, iron and steam HCl. I discussed many times. Industrial method. Cheapest
Sir,
method.
Delhi
D.
iron plus steam.
It's called as a Delhi only. Next, one more question. The reduction of the reducing agent used for the preparation of aniline from nitrobenzene in the laboratories. Same thing they have given. In the laboratory, they're asking lab. Lab.
Sir, option C, Chennai.
Yes, sir. Chennai.
So option C is the correct answer. Why can't you use sodium in the lab? Why? Why you don't use it? Because sodium is more reactive. Fire will come. Lithium aluminum hydride is not available in the lab.
Yes,
Generally. It is hygroscopic nature. That reason we can use. We can't use. Benzene diazonium chloride is prepared from the aniline. Benzene diazonium chloride. Sandwich reaction.
Sir,
What
Andhra.
temperature?
A.
Option
A, sir.
A. So you see temperature 0 to 5. That is fixed temperature. Question number 19. Aniline dissolves in the hydrochloric acid with formation of dash. Orthochloroaniline, azodyne, chloroethane. Why suppose aniline is dissolved in the water, after adding itself, why it's become soluble? What makes them to soluble? Any idea?
The base neutralize.
So what is the option? Andhra, Bombay, Chennai, Delhi. C, it's not a azodyne. It's not a chloroethane. Chlorination. So option will be anilinium chloride. IUM is positive. Remember, IUM is positive. Cations containing of IUM. So it's anilinium chloride. So option A. Question number 20. Very good question. What is the answer? We discuss on the question X. Anybody have an idea? Why? Nobody's there. Nobody knows. Huh? Yes,
Sir, I'm not sure. Is it Chennai?
Option is C. Is it done right?
Andhra.
Next one is toward litmus aniline is dash. Toward litmus aniline is dash. Toward litmus aniline is dash.
Sir, B, Bombay.
I discussed this one in the litmus aniline nature. I discussed in the class. Neutral. Neutral. Actually, aniline color is neutral in the litmus paper. That reason why you can use the only litmus solution. We cannot use litmus paper. Question. Carbyl amine reaction is given by dash. Aliphatic amine, aromatic amine, both aliphatic, aromatic amine, all secondary amines. What is your answer? Carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. Anybody is there or not? Nobody is there.
So
Sir,
C.
Chennai.
Option C. Both aliphatic and aromatic primary means gives the reaction. That's answer. Question number 1. Aniline react with bromine with water. What's the product? I explained today. Aniline with option
D, Delhi.
D.
option Delhi.
D.
Suppose acetanilide can be obtained from the following product. Acetanilide.
Sir, Chennai.
That's correct answer. C. Next question. Aniline on heating with the fumic sulfuric acid. Use dashed. This question when somebody asked me doubt, no? Aniline will react with the fumic sulfuric acid. Use dashed. Sulfonic acid, aniline sulfate. Aniline needs to come out for disulfonic acid. Aniline hydrogen disulfate. What is the answer? Let's see the equation here. I'll explain here. When aniline is react with the hydrogen, always form a anilinium hydrogen sulfate. When these compound is heated, they undergo rearrangement by losing a water molecule. Exactly same number of atoms we cannot found here. From here H, from here H, from here one OH will be loose. That reason why you can able to see the water molecule as they form a SO3H. When the proton is undergo proton from water, when they from has become minus, it become to CH plus. It forms a Twitter ion. It means two charges contain ion. So answer will be the sulfonilic acid. This answer is the sulfonilic. Very very important. Sulfonilic acid. Sulfonilic acid. Next one is aniline is treated with chloroform. What is the answer? You know very well. Chloroform is carbylamine reaction. What is the product? Carbylamine reaction. What is the product? Very easy one.
Sir, Andhra.
Option A is correct answer. Question number 28. Which is not properties of aniline? It is a basic nature. It gives carbylamine reaction. It can react with alkyl halide. It turns blue litmus paper to red litmus. Red color.
So D, right?
D, Delhi.
D.
Yes, it's a D. D is correct answer. Question number 1 mole of okay, no? N-phenylalanine react with methyl iodide. So this compound is there. No, look at they have given the compound is like this. How many moles of methyl iodide can be react? The ring is there. Here what happened there? Here NH group is there, and here what happened there? What is there here? Here methyl group is there. These compound can react with how many moles of methyl iodide? Think logically. Nitrogen maximum covalence how much? Nitrogen maximum covalence. Maximum bond, how many bonds will possible?
4.
4. 4 no? But how many bonds are there here? Means one replaceable hydrogen atoms are there. So one carbon methyl group will be replaceable. And mean one more methyl group can be react. So how many moles of methyl group can react? Is it secondary amino? It react with 2 moles. 2 or more moles, no? So I think so answer is the C option, according to my calculation. That is the C option. I will say logical way. Logical way is a secondary amino. It will react 2 moles. Is a tertiary amino. It react with 1 mole. It is a primary amino. It will react with 3 moles. Total always become to 4. That is a logical way. Maximum covalence of nitrogen is 4. That point you have to remember. Let's see one more question. Zwitter ion can be formed by acetanilide, benzenylide, sulfonilic acid, and benzene sulfonamide. I will explain this one.
C.
Option C, sulfonilic acid. Twitter ion. Question number 31. Aniline is react with the excess amount of the alkyl halide, gives dash. Ammonium chloride, tertiary compound, azomethane, quaternary ammonium compound.
Sir, excess, I think it will be D, sir, Delhi.
Okay, any answer from anyone? Okay, we can go with Delhi option. D is the correct answer. So maximum equivalence is 4. So quaternary ammonium is also impossible. Remember, no, that's question. In the sulfonylation of aniline, the reagent is dash. In the sulfonylation of aniline, the reagent is dash. Oh, very nice question. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Okay, this not I didn't discuss. This is called as benzene sulfonyl chloride. From the conversion of the N-methyl aniline to aniline, the reagent used dash. Sorry, aniline to N-methyl aniline. What reagent you can use? You see, my reactant is this one. NH2. And my product is this one. Benzene is there. Here, NH group is there and methyl group is there. So what reagent I can use here? Nobody have idea? LKG questions one is.
Sir, maybe option A.
Okay. The option A only. They didn't mention X amount, no? That is one. The option A. Question number 34, very good question. Which of the following compound will dissolve in the alkaline solution after undergo reaction with the Hinsberg reaction? Oh, super. Hinsberg reaction is there, no? Primary, secondary, tertiary. Which of the following?
Chennai, sir, C, primary amines.
Primary amines. So option is correct answer. See, primary soluble, secondary insoluble, tertiary no reaction. Question number 35. 2,4,6 tribromoyl is product of dash. Electrophilic addition, electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic addition, nucleophilic substitution. They're asking the question here. I have taken the aniline is my product, aniline is my reactant. I'd convert the aniline to tribromoaniline. By which reaction become like this? Tribromoaniline. How I can able to do this one is NH2, 3 bromine atoms are there. First my question, aromatic compounds undergo what kind of chemical reaction?
So is it B?
Yeah? D.
So electrophilic substitution.
B are saying, okay. Bombay or Delhi?
So Bombay.
Bombay. The answer is the Bombay. Bombay. Electrophilic substitution. That means in the place of the hydrogen, bromine is coming. So it's called as a electrophilic substitution. Question 36. Which of the following factor affect the basic strength of the amine?
Sir, all of the above.
All of the above. So option D. Question number 37. Primary amines can be distinguished from the following compound. Following test. Rowland's test, Schiff's test, carbonyl element test, Fehling test. Primary amines. What test? Primary amine. Very easy chemical reaction. We did you must studied much more. No idea. carbylamine reaction. Only aliphatic aromatic primary means only gives the carbylamine reaction. Question number 38. Assertion. So what happened there? Methenamine is weak base than methanol. You cannot. N is less electronegative than oxygen. Lone pair of electrons is more easily available for the donations in methylamine. What is the answer? Both are correct. Wrong. What is the answer? Assertion reason type of question. What is your answer? Read question carefully. Nice question only. Methenamine is weak base than methanol. Alcohols are more basic nature, amines are more basic nature. First question, point. Second one, they have an explanation is there. No? Nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen. Lone pair of electrons on the oxygen is more easily available for donation. So what is the answer?
Sir, I guess 4, sir.
So, but
Because
amines are more basic
basic
than
than
alcohols, right?
alcohol. Yes, sir.
R is correct, A is incorrect. That's correct. Orthonitrophenylene is a product of dash. Orthonitrophenylene is product of dash. From this four, from which I can able to prepare orthonitrophenylene.
Sir, is it Bombay?
So you see here, only nucleophile is not correct answer. Nucleophile is wrong. Electrophile is there, here electrophile is there. So option B. Only orthonitrophenylene is product of. Actually, not possible is a product. Is I think it's wrongly given. This is. We'll see what happened. It's not actually orthonitrophenylene is not forms. I think this question, some mistake is there in the question. Not product of, not a product of. So it's very less amount will come. No? Okay, some error is there in the question. Leave that question. Aniline do not take part in dash. Which of the following chemical reaction aniline will not take part? Very
So
good
is it
question.
C?
Option
C.
So,
Chandan.
Friedel cup reaction never be take part in chemical reaction. Aniline is purified by dash method. Aniline. Oh, distillation method, hydrolysis method. Aniline, liquid. Liquid, how can you able to purify?
There is
How
a
can-
distillation.
Huh?
A distillation.
Distillation method.
Oh,
Okay.
so I'm not sure between A or C.
Steam distillation method. By using a steam distillation method, I can able to. So, hello.
So what's the difference?
No. Then can. Okay. So why steam distillation means? Remember, if you go for normal distillation, the compound undergo decomposition. It becomes spoil. It becomes to spoil. Remember that reason why we cannot use like service. Got steam distillation only you can use. One second. Go for next question. The correct order of increasing a base strength. What is the answer? Your lesson. Okay, what is the answer? What is the correct order of increasing a basic strength?
Sir, Delhi.
So answer is right now. See the CNC the answer. So Delhi option. Okay, up to what time class? Okay. This one is what reaction? So this is a reaction is called as here Scout-Bowman. Generally, this reaction called as Scout-Bowman reaction is not there on syllabus. Name only. Question number: which of the following is least basic nature? Which of the following is the least basic nature? Where is the question?
Randhra.
Option A is the least basic nature. Aromatic means least basic nature. Question number 45. Bromine water react with aniline gives dash. Bromine water react with aniline gives dash.
Sir, Delhi, sir, D.
Sir?
Sir, option D.
It's option D. Symmetrical tribromo. It means 3 equal bromine atoms will come. Question number 46. Arrange the following correct order of increased basic strength. Very, very important for board examination. These questions are. So what is the answer? Correct order of increasing basic strength.
Sir, option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Question number 47. Phenyl
Can
isocyanide
you
is the.
explain that?
Okay, na? 1 second. This is, remember, aliphatic amines are more basic nature. Aliphatic amines than aromatic. Remember, no? This is aliphatic. So aliphatic amines second two will come first. How many options are there? This both options. So this is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. Next, you just take the what happened here. You can see ammonia, nitrogens available here. Electrons available around nitrogen atom. But here electrons are involved in the resonance structure because of aromatic amine. Because of aromatic amine, electrons are involved in the resonance structure. So because out of the electron density decreases. When our electron density decreases, what happens? The base strength will decrease. That reason why this one. Remember, aliphatic amines, aliphatic. Next is ammonia. Next is aromatic. Aromatic always least basic nature. Fine. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one is phenyl isocyanide. The carbon atom dash hydration. Phenyl isocyanide. It means C6H5 NC and triple bond C. What is the hybridization?
Sir, option B.
Option B you're saying.
Chennai.
Yeah. Option Chennai. sp2 and sp. Cyanide, no? Cyanide means just cyanide isocyanide. Water may be just here. 2 pi bonds are there, 1 sigma bond is there. So this carbon atom is there, no? That reason why only 1 sigma bond. Okay, no? 1 D2 bond is there, so sp will come. So triple bond means always sp. Triple bond means that is the logic. Okay. Next question. Arrange the following the increasing order of the basic strength. In gaseous phase, they didn't mention, no? Gas or liquid phase also. Basic strength. Okay. Say answer. Gaseous phase what?
Sir, is it Andhra?
Gases phase means the answer didn't mention very clearly, no? Okay. So what they given? Basic strength is decreases. 3 is more, given more. Hey, how is basic nature? No, is correct answer. 3 is. So why they given 3? So they have given aqueous solution. They have given aqueous solution only. But if you take the gaseous phase, A is correct answer. Gaseous phase, A is correct answer.
Sir, why
Next.
is it like that? I didn't understand.
Let's see. First of all, you can see very clear in the aqueous solution, secondary amines are more basic nature. Then tertiary amine, then primary amine. This is in the case of the ethyl group, CH5 group. In the case of methyl group, what happened there? Secondary, primary, tertiary. Okay, no, ammonia always least. It means one must become least. See, 1, 2, 3, all are 1 is there. So option 4 is not correct answer. Then I have to see very clearly secondary means are more basic nature. So it must be a third. So option B and C both are correct only. Next you see the ammonia, they given the 4 reason, and here they have given the 2. Invariable is there here. After this one is second, this is ethyl group. They have taken ethyl group, CTH5 group. CTH5 means what happened? The next is coming tertiary only, no? That result they have taken this is a tertiary amine. It is a secondary amine. It is a primary. So he has taken that one is 2, 3, 1. That is answer is coming like this. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
The question is not complete question. That is mistake is there. Last reaction. Time is up. Gabriel Thalamide reaction used for preparation of dash. Gabriel Thalamide reaction.
Sir, Andhra.
Primary.
Primary amine.
Primary amines. Okay, na? One more question. When acetamide react with bromine in caustic soda, what reaction? Oh, acetamide. What acetamide? Acetic acid containing amide. At the better CH3, C double bond O, NH2. They react with bromine water. What is the reaction? Bromine water, bromine caustic soda, famous reaction.
Sir, maybe B.
Bombay. How is it possible?
Sir, A.
Right now answer. Bromine sodium hydroxide. H is coming now, one reaction. What reaction the H is coming?
HBr will come out.
One named reaction starts with H.
Sir, is it Hoffman bromamide?
Hoffman bromide degradation. What is the product right now?
Sir, is it ethylamine?
Amides become the amide by using of the Hoffman bromamide degradation method. Okay, I think so. Time is up. Time is there.
Yes, sir. Time up.
Okay. Okay, students. Okay, thank you. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.